Hi there! In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to create community groups inside your PulseGrowth account. Log into your PulseGrowth account, head over to the Membership tab, click on Communities, and then go to Groups. Start by giving your group a name. Then add a unique URL slug. This is how users will find your group online. Next, write a short description to explain what the group is all about. This helps members know what to expect. You'll also see a discovery toggle. This setting allows your group to be discoverable by other active users, but only once your group has at least 10 members. Feel free to turn this on or off depending on your preference. Now scroll down to the branding section. Here you can upload a favicon, a cover image, and your group logo. These visual elements help your group look professional and aligned with your brand. Once you're happy with everything, go ahead and click Create Group. Your group is now live. But before you dive in, take a moment to upload a profile picture and write a short bio for your group profile. Inside the group, you'll see several tabs, each with different features. Let's start with the Discussion tab. Here you can send messages, create posts, and even organize channels for specific topics, like marketing, reports, or to-do lists. Each channel can have its own description, and you can choose whether it's public or private. You can also make a channel read-only, which is great for announcements or updates you don't want others to edit. Next up is the Learning tab. This is where you can upload and organize courses for your community. It's perfect if you want to offer members structured training or educational content. Moving on to the Members tab. You can invite people to join your group either by sharing a URL link or by entering their name and email address. Now let's head to the Settings tab, where you can customize your group even further. Under the Details section, you can update the group's name, description, and visibility. Make your group public or private. You can also turn your group into a paid group by adding a subscription price. Just click Add Price, enter the amount, choose whether it's a one-time payment or a recurring subscription, set the billing frequency. Next is the Themes tab, where you can customize the look and feel of your group by selecting a theme that matches your brand. You also have the option to create questions for people to answer when requesting to join your group. Great for qualifying members or getting to know them better. And there's so much more you can do under Settings, like creating promotional links, managing reported content, and tailoring group permissions and experiences to fit your exact needs. Inside the Events tab, you can create and manage events for your community. Each event can be held in person or virtually. Just add a physical location or paste in a Zoom or Google Meet link for online sessions. Now you know how to create and fully customize community groups inside your PulseGrowth account, from setup and branding to courses, subscriptions, and events. If you need more help or want to explore additional features, feel free to visit our support portal or reach out to us anytime at connect@pulsegrowth.io.